calves. Oh! Percy's driver had taken away the trousers and given Percy a good rub down.
Ah! Oh! Oh! Ow!
What, me? Me?
Get on, you! Coo! Ha! Ha! Oh! Pa!
Oh, yes, please, sir.
Quack! 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 Nay, do... That night, Donald's driver and fireman got busy. Will.
Careful, Thomas.
Oh, really? Oh, cinders and ashes.
Help! Save me!
Good morning.
Yes, indeed.
Goodness gracious. Mind my eyes.
Help! Help!
Beep, beep, poop, poop. Rubbish.
What?
What a clever plan. What a clever plan.
Bother!
Bird brain.
No, I know.
Rubbish. Ouch!
It's too bad.
Take that. Ooh.
What's the matter?
Go faster. Go faster. Slow down.
Fiddlesticks. Grrr, up. Grrr, ah,
Gosh.
Stop! Stop! Help! I'm stuck.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Mind your backs.
Buzz off! Buzz off!
Ooh, ah, phew, phew.
This is fun. Go on. I can't.
I'm not happy. Don't be vulgar.
Okay.
Hiss!
Aha! Shh! Good gracious, look sharp!
I call him Bulgy, but he can't.
Rubbish!
Yaboo snubs! Stop! Danger! Clear the quarry! Help! Wait for me! Oh dear.
Hip hip! Hooray, hooray, hooray! Bossy buffers! I do not run a jam factory.
Beep beep!
Wake up, lazy wings! Lovely stuff!
That would never suit his grace, you impertinent scallywags.
Ooh!
But, excuse me. Shh, impudent scallywags.
Rubbish!
No, I don't.
Juke. Fuddy-duddy, fuddy-duddy, fuddy-duddy.
Beep beep!
Humph!
Peep peep pip! This is the day, this is the day! Poor old engine, poor old engine! Fiddlesticks!
He's bumped us. I'm ashamed of you. This is lovely. I feel all crooked. No.
Whatever next?
Ooh! Told you.
Beep! Hurry up, please! Stop, stop, stop!
Bother.
Hooray!
What do you mean by leaving me behind?
Well,
Chicky chopper.
Faster! Faster! No, no! Hurrah! Hurrah!
Beep, beep. Bus my buffers.
For me, sir? How nice, sir. What is it, sir? You're late. Sleepers and ballast. I'm off. There's something hanging from the roof. Peter Sam said again and again, his new funnel will put us to shame. Went into the tunnel, lost his old funnel. Now his famous new funnel's a drain.
beep, pip, beep!
Get out of my way, you great clumsy road dog!
Hello, hello, hello.
Wake up, lazy bones! What? When?
Rubbish!
I'm staying here.
Sure.
Ah! I've got cramp!
Who are you? No. One. We have one. Where is he going?
Bust my boiler! Clunk! Thump! Stop! Toot! Toot! Disgraceful. Disgusting! Despicable!
Bother your hat.
Ooh! Oh!
We get no rest!
Help! Rubbish! Wheesh! Oh! Push! Be quiet!
Hold back, hold back.
Oh! Oh!
I'm coming apart!
Oh! Fire! Bust my buffers! Beep! 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 Shh! Beep! 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 Beep!
Help! Help!
Well,
Oh no! Now there'll be trouble. Whatever will happen next.
beep! Rubbish!
Well, I'm complaining now.
Cranes are hairy-fairy things. They need a lot of attention, like me, in fact.
Help! I can't.
Oh, but, pa!
Oh, look. It's a little green goblin on wheels.
Well, bust my boiler. Despicable.
Toodle. Pa. Grrr.
What a boring view. Sick? Me? Never. What happened? Help me! Please!
Bother.
I'll try, sir. I'm hot. Told you so.
Bother, bother.
That's all I can do.
Bother, bother.
Good luck.
Bother. Pa.
Really?
Rubbish. Pa. Ooh.
Help! Go away!
Pa. Huh. Silence.
Where's Thomas?
Huh. Aberforth. Pa. Ooh. Aberforth. Ho, ho, ho. Aberforth. Huh. Huh. Pa.
I'm the greatest.
Get out of my way. Phew. Huh.
Now we'll be late. Time for a snooze. Percy's been put upon, put upon, put upon. Percy's been put upon, poor old Percy.
Silence. Oh no. On, faster, faster.
The mine's collapsing. Yes, indeed. Be brave, Toby.
Stupid bird. Ghosts. Oh.
Be quiet.
Smine. Snot. Smine. Snot.
Silly, snapped Bill. Silly yourself.
Oh my. Grease and oil. Oh. What's that? Oh no.
I'm overheating again.
Oh, pa. Oh no. Yes. Oh, yes. Why not? Phew. What's the matter now? What? Pa. What? Oh, yes. Pa. Help. Pa. Despicable. Disgusting. Whirly bird. Pa.
Will Gordon be scrapped, sir?
Oh, pa. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Look.
Look, you're it.
What? Where's that? Botheration.
Be quiet.
Toodle pee.
Slow yourself. Be quiet.
Surprise, surprise.
Catch us if you can.
Oh, no. Pa. Ooh, how lovely.
Dustier and dustier.
Hey. Ooh.
Ready, steady, go. Follow the leader.
Yikes.
What was that? Help! Help! Oh no! Stopped at last.
Woo, woo, woo. Pa.
Nonsense. It's the ghost! Take me back! Take me back, please!
No.
It's rolling along our line. Oh no! It's behind us!
Yikes.
It's running loose!
Yikes.
Oh no! It's heading straight for me!
Pa.
Good!
Break it. Snap it.
On! Faster, faster!
Avalanche.
Well.
Help.
moaned Gordon, and then fell as silent as the snow.